Excel PRICEMAT function. This function calculates the price per $100 face value of a security that pays interest at maturity. It is used for instruments where all interest is paid at the end rather than periodically. The syntax is PRICEMAT with parameters settlement, maturity, issue, rate, yield, and an optional basis. Dates should be entered using the date function for best results. There are 6 arguments: settlement, the date the security is traded to the buyer; maturity, the date when the security expires; issue, the issue date of the security; rate, the security's interest rate at issue; yield, the security's annual yield; and basis, an optional day count basis type from 0 to 4. Here's an example. We have a security with a settlement date of February 15, 2008, maturing on April 13, 2008, issued on November 11, 2007. The interest rate and yield are both 6.10%, and we use a US 30 over 360 day count basis. The PRICEMAT function returns $99.98. Since the rate and yield are equal, the price is very close to par value of $100. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when settlement, maturity, or issue is not a valid date. A num error occurs when the rate is negative, the yield is negative, or the settlement date is on or after maturity. Key points to remember. PRICEMAT is for securities that pay all interest at maturity rather than periodically. When rate equals yield, the price is close to par. Rate greater than yield means a premium price, and rate less than yield means a discount. Related functions include YieldMat and price. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.